Hey guys, it's me, Missy. Today's lesson focuses on how to handle problems politely in English. You will learn useful phrases for reporting an issue, asking for help, and making a complaint without sounding rude. These expressions are common in stores, restaurants, hotels, and customer service situations. Stating the problem. When something goes wrong, start with a short sentence. Some useful sentences to learn are: I'm having a problem with. Example: I'm having a problem with my order. I asked for chicken, but I received beef. Something seems to be wrong with. Example: something seems to be wrong with the air conditioner. It's not turning on. I think there may be an issue with. Example: I think there may be an issue with my bill. It looks higher than usual. I'm not sure what happened, but. Example: I'm not sure what happened, but my phone is not working. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Requesting help politely. After explaining the issue, politely ask for assistance. Some useful phrases are: could you help me with this? Would you mind taking a look? Is there any way to exchange this? What do you recommend I do? Examples: could you help me with this charge? I don't recognize it. Would you mind checking the bathroom again? The lights still don't seem to be turning on. Is there any way to exchange this? It doesn't really fit right. I can't seem to find their direct number. What do you recommend I do to find it? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Making a polite complaint. If the problem is serious, you can complain politely without sounding aggressive. Some useful phrases are: I'm sorry, but this is not what I expected. Unfortunately, this isn't acceptable. I'd appreciate it if this could be fixed as soon as possible. Is there a supervisor I could speak with? Some examples are: I'm sorry, but this is not what I expected. The room isn't clean. Unfortunately, this isn't acceptable. The package arrived damaged. I'd appreciate it if this could be fixed as soon as possible. I need it today. My bill was never adjusted as previously stated. Is there a supervisor I could speak with? Hey, if you like the way I teach English, check this out. If you like the way I teach English, check out my Patreon. There are videos, audios, and many tools for you to learn English with me. I have a phrasal verb generator and much more. I have also included podcasts with short stories and ebooks for you to learn more English with me. There are hundreds of posts and a whole world of American English. So join my Patreon now at patreon.com/blabinit. Accepting the solution. When the other person gives you a solution, respond clearly. Some useful phrases are, "That would be great. Thank you." "Yes, that works for me." "I appreciate your help." "Thank you for fixing this." Let's practice by imagining a situation where a restaurant gives you the wrong meal. Let's first state what the problem is. "Excuse me, I hate to bother you, but I asked for no tomatoes on my salad." A polite request for help. "Could you please exchange this for a new salad without tomatoes?" Now let's end with a polite ending. "Thank you so much. I appreciate your help." I hope this has helped you learn how to sound more polite when making a complaint in English. I hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Ciao, my favorite Blabanitos!